Floors. They're not as simple as you think. A great floor is a lot like being a great student. You have to be tough. You have to be adaptable. You have to be durable. You have to be innovative. You need to perform for the tests that lie ahead. You need to absorb the noise around you and still make the grade. Whether fitting a new floor or refurbishing, like a good teacher, we support you through every step of the way. We love learning. Our research is what allows us to develop our solutions. Solutions that make meeting hygiene standards as easy as your ABCs and will last for more than a generation. A truly innovative and sustainable choice. Sika ComfortFloor. We provide a platform for you to shape the minds of the future.